So hello everyone, I welcome you all to this new lecture on Euclid division algorithm. In previous lecture we have seen the Euclid division algorithm of type 1 and type 2. Okay, now where we have done in type 1 we have done the HCF of two positive integers. This is a linear combination type. Okay, in type 1 there is the HCF of two positive integers. In type 2 it is the HCF of three positive integers. Okay, so the type 3 is about the linear combination, and in exam the question will be like, use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of like here these two numbers are given, so HCF of these two numbers, and then express the HCF of these two numbers in this form or in linear combination, something in linear type. Okay, here m and n is given, so it could be some anything else, and okay, and express this one in this form, and they also say find the value of m and n. Okay, so we'll do this one by successive division method, and I have already given a lecture on successive division method. You can do that one, and let me do the successive division method for reducing the time duration of the lecture. Okay, so here I have done the successive division method. So what I have done, so out of 1651 and 2032, 2032 is greater than 1651, so we will write this one as, since 2032 is greater than 1651, then when you do this one, so this one is a dividend and this one is a divisor, given 1 times, then this one is a remainder, then the old divisor will become the new dividend, and again done 4 times remainder, this new remainder will become the new divisor, and this old divisor will become a new dividend, so 3 times, and here comes the remainder 0. So how will you do this one? We'll write by Euclid division lemma. Step 1, 2032. So don't get confused. In question it will be like, use Euclid division algorithm, and Euclid division algorithm is a special type of Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma is the main one, and Euclid division algorithm is, you can say, like sub branch of Euclid division lemma. So 2032 is equal to 1651 into 1 plus 381. Now step 2, 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus 127. Step 3, 381 is equal to 127 into 3 plus 0. Since remainder is equal to 0, so we'll write, so our process stops. Okay, we'll write this one. Then, so this one is the equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. From 2, we get 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus 127. So here 127. This one is the HCF. Okay, so HCF of these two is 127. So what they have said, express the HCF of this one in the form of this one. So they have said to express this one as the product of this one. So we will keep 127 this side and bring all other terms to the other side. Okay, so this implies 127 is equal to 1651. We are bringing this term here. Okay, minus 381 into 4. Now check in the question, 1651 and 2032. They have told to use these two terms. So, but here we are having 381. We are having another term. But see in equation 1, we can write 381 as this one minus this one, because we have to keep the equation in this format. So we are going to replace 381 by this one. So 1651 minus, how it will write, 2032 minus 1651 into 1, and don't forget to write into 4. Okay, many of you always forget this one, so don't forget. So now 1651 minus 2032 into 4 minus 1651 into 4. So this gets converted into like 2032 into minus 4 is already plus, it will be plus, sorry, plus 1651 into 5, because this 4 and this one will add up and become 5. So what we have said, express this one in the form of 1651n and 2032n. So 2032 into n, so n is equal to minus 4 and m is equal to 5. Thus n is equal to, what is n? Minus 4 and m is equal to 5. So this is the way of solving this linear combination type. And if you check like NCERT or R.S. Sharma or various other books of various other exams, so you will find various other way of doing it. Okay, but the best way is doing in this format that I have shown. Okay, so there are many problems I will give you in homework in the community post. So do check that one and keep learning. Thank you everyone.